your Mustang right there. I even care to look at it. Tuning, oh, with Lamborghini doors. That's kind of sweet, I guess. Over here, mostly it's cars that are like tuned out. That's not my style, not my thing, not what I like. Okay. All you Fast and Furious fans out there, there you go. There you go, Lamborghini doors. There you go. Two-tone color rims. Barney colors. Nice trip block. There you go. Chameleon color. This is kind of nice. I've never seen shit like this in Detroit. I miss it. Nice, nice, nice. Blah. Oh, hell yeah. Corvette. Woo! No way. Is this the 5.7 liter V8 body kit? McLaren F1 Lights style. Love this. Oh, what the hell is that? What is this? This is some pimped out shit. God damn. BMW. What do you know? See the mirrors on the ground right there? With the speakers underneath? This is fucking sweet looking. Nice paint job on this. Chinese writing, sparkles on top. Aww, how cute. This is a nice Audi TT chameleon paint job, or yeah, Lamborghini doors. This is fucking nice. Look at that. None of that other junk crap over there I was looking at earlier, huh? Oh, finish it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. RX7. I'm an old school type of dude. RX7, hell yeah. Nice kit. Seen a few of these in Luxembourg, but not like pimped out like that. Little Wayne. Oh, feels like I'm in Detroit.